Hey guys, just a quick video if you've got a screw going into plastic which is not really making a great bite. What I like to do, you can glue it or use epoxy, but then you can't really open back up, or it can be tricky to open it up. So what I like to do is take a bit of solder braid and fluff it out like this, or even a bit of wire and just get it and fluff it out. Either solder braid, there's always solder braid near me so it's easier, and just wrap it around the screw like this and just drop it in. And then you should be getting a nice firm grip. This will only work if the screw hole is, obviously if it's completely bore out it's not going to make a grip, then you will have to glue with epoxy. Or if you want to be able to get it back open, this is a handy little trick. Thanks for watching, bye.